Telcoin by and large is an arising DeFi project with a sublime future. If you're searching for the Telcoin respect out or tracking down the imperative of Telcoin, this particularly extended Telcoin regard measure can be important for you. Our Telcoin generally proclamation depends on a monstrous express examination and on a very basic level past execution of Telcoin. Here we will endeavor to bind the limitation of Telcoin for the going with 10 years as information accumulated from the undertaking's website. Telcoin speaks with blockchain development by allowing to irrelevant expense hair-raising genuinely decentralized monetary things for telephone clients from one side of the world to the other. The Telcoin stage draws in its clients to in a little while move cash, if all else fails from a genuine perspective, gains it conceivable with its blockchain headway and adaptable cash foundation. Telcoin stage from a genuine perspective has neighborhood tel lives on the Ethereum blockchain network. The dependable use events of the Telcoin project really make Telcoin a truly reassuring undertaking. Finally, Telcoin kind of has everything considered, collaborated with versatile connection supervisors and obliging cash facilitates for the most part to genuinely pass fast and reasonable DeFi things on to by and large relationship as one of the making DeFi projects. Telcoin really is dealing with different drives, as we basically found through CoinMarketCap by its restricted specialist stock and reaction from the financial supporters. Telcoin particularly looks solid since its starting date. Telcoin for the most part has shown wide improvement in the crypto market. Telcoin really has given a shocking reappearance of its strange money-related partners in 2021. According to its restricted delegate store and neighborhood, the conceivable predetermination of Telcoin unequivocally is stupendous. The Telcoin costs restored to an impeccable, incredibly high ATH of 0.0649 in May 2021. Notwithstanding Telcoin's show gets suspicious in 2022, Telcoin basically has a confirmed use case that saves solid areas for fundamental for it. According to our appraisal, the costs of Telcoin will keep on filling in the going with 10 years, beating the 5 etching before 10 years completed, as all cryptos really are down. Since December 2021, Telcoin's show is similarly showing kind of slow new improvement. There generally are solid prospects that Telcoin can kind of get again its situation in the month end of 2022. Telcoin respect. Look at 2022 of 2022. The improvement of crypto resources can generally be conceded by our Telcoin cost idea. The best exchanging cost of Telcoin can everything considered be around 0.035 out of 2022. Tolerating the market goes according to our inquiries. The standard cost of Telcoin could from a genuine perspective at any point be around 0.019 and the base really worth level can go up to 0.009 for 2022. One sort of more. According to our cost appraisal, Telcoin's cost could basically cross its new ATH 0.06 really imprint. Assuming the market sees a decent bull in each viable sense run in 2022. Telcoin respect figure 2023. Telcoin everything considered has usually sensational generally potential getting through that. You will hold it to whatever that degree could be genuinely possible. As displayed by our Telcoin cost supposition, Telcoin can particularly appear at a greatest positively worth level of 0.095 by 2023. At any rate, the all-around particularly traditional expense of Telcoin can generally be around 0.76. Besides, in the event that there is any truly tragic model, the base cost of Telcoin token can particularly be down up to 0.45. In the going with bull rally, the costs of Telcoin could flood sort of more than our Telcoin cost figure. Telcoin view figure 2025, as shown by our Telcoin cost, for the most part arrived. The Telcoin costs can commonly hit another ATH level this year. By 2025, we could expect a typical cost of 0.88 depending kind of open model. Our most really fundamental cost unquestionably is any bull rally in 2030 the costs of Telcoin could generally take off and beat our cost check. Is Telcoin a clever hypothesis? According to the new spike in Telcoin costs, this has shown the way that it can stun cash-related lines up with monster returns. Telcoin by and large is one of the speediest making DeFi projects, and cryptos with genuine use cases can essential genuinely astounding districts for B nature. Telcoin works with flexible bosses and e-wallets by and inside and out. That truly matters immense, tending to serve its clients according to our cost evaluation. The truly broadened premium in Telcoin discharges an impression of being a beguiling choice to on a very basic level contemplate, despite the way that the Telcoin cost sends an impression of being bullish. Telcoin and genuinely other cryptos, all things considered, are flighty and can adjust their cost course while expecting that you for the most part are a sharp financial accomplice and like to. From a genuine perspective make dangerous speculations. Telcoin can be an inside and out. That truly matters astonishing decision. Cryptos particularly are today the most supportive resources, as well as from a genuine perspective, the most unsecure moreover. Hence going before settling on any undertaking choice, do your honest to goodness put everything at risk, and the kitchen sink reasonably. Will Telcoin kind of appear at 10? As the Telcoin siphoned massively in 2022, different crypto sellers surely are charmed to from a genuine perspective know whether the Telcoin truly token can contact 10. According to our Telcoin cost question, Telcoin can appear at 10 in the going with 7 or 8 years. Telcoin overall is a splendid motorized resource with a substantial use case. Similarly in the crypto market, the sky is the limit, as we have expressly found in the beyond a momentous bull rally or kind of bear rally can whip every one of the cost questions like a glimmer. Expecting normally more financial sponsors basically are drawn to the Telcoin project. The cost of Telcoin can skyrocket and it could basically hit its 10 neighborhood. Our Telcoin cost figure, a couple of new postings on premium trades, may in like manner positively make the all-around that truly matters worth of Telcoin. Will generally be Telcoin a siphon, and assuredly dump. Telcoin routinely siphons, and then in every way that really matters vague everything considered dump, notwithstanding its standard in the crypto market, because of over the very top weak strategy for overseeing acting. Different vendors use to see whether Telcoin expressly is to the degree that this would essentially be conceivable, or basically a siphon.